Hi guys, welcome to the live systematic trading. This is Ram from Wings of Equity. Today, as per setup, we enter the trade. Trade was executed at 432.68. That is near 433. Okay, based on the spot chart. This is the spot chart. Based on the spot chart, we enter the trade. We chosen the strike price, that is 34,300 put. After entering the trade, our stop loss will be 60 points based on the spot chart, Bank Nifty spot chart, that is at 373. Initial stop loss will be 373, that is 60 points, and target will be 553, that is plus 120 points. As per risk reward ratio, this is 1:2 trade. After entering the trade, everything was set in system only. One more important method is trailing SL method. As you know, my previous live videos also, how I trail my SL. Every 10 points up move, I will trail my SL to 5 points up. So following this type of trailing method, I will minimize the risk. We'll see what will be the end result. See guys, our option move to near target price, that is 10 points below the target price only. it took a sudden reverses from there, and now this is come to near at cost. Okay, there is a higher chances that our trailing SL will hit. Today trade was done with hitting the TSL. Our trade exited with at 428, that is 5 points below the entry price. Today we booked the minus 500. Accept what the market takes and accept what the market gives you. This is a very important in trading. I will not emotionally connected with profit and loss while trading. I will focus towards method only, perfect method. In one point also our target missed, I will okay to hit the trailing SL. This much of confidence I have gained in trading of 3-4 years. It took me to 4 years to be a like this type of trader, without bringing my emotions, without bringing fear and greed in my trading. I will manage my trade. This much of confidence I have gained. Every new trader should understand this. Only following the profit and loss, you won't make a single pie on the market. You will make today small and tomorrow you will lose big. See how I follow trading method. I only be in the winning trades longer time. In losing trades, soon I will exit the trade with small loss. Right? This is the adverse of human emotions. So that's why we will create a systematic trading. These are the 4 important points I will use while trading. First one is wait for the right opportunity. Second one is accept what the market gives. Understand what you are risking is the third one. Fourth one is the accept what the market takes. Before starting a trade, you should know these important points and be ready with all. These are the important points of systematic trading. New traders should understand systematic trading is the only way. If you want any particular topics to discuss in next live trading video, comment below. We will discuss deep about risk management also, psychology and method, whatever you want. Please comment below. Till take care, bye. Trade responsibly. Like, share and subscribe to this channel for learning purpose of systematic trading. Okay, thank you.